Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage predictive text. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access General Management. Following that, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and tap on the blue sweater next to Predictive Text. As you can see, after that, Predictive Text is off, but you can always switch it on by clicking on the same now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!